Hello, good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about the circular economy and the ecological footprint. My name is Valeria Lopez. I will let get start. The ecological footprint is the indicator to know how degree the impact of the society in the environment. And that each human being is 2.7 hectares. However, our planet is only capable of giving each of its inhabitants about 1.8 hectares. So this difference indicates that each of us use more space to meet our needs than the planet can give us. So how could our global footprint change if we design our future? Well, for this, we use the circular economy and a simple analysis of the biocapacity. This is the capacity of the planet to regenerate these resources. When the ecological footprint exceeds the biocapacity, we enter states of ecological overshoot. And this shows that our activities are generating an excessive use of natural resources and inadequate care of the planet, resulting in the linear economy and not a circular. But what can we do it? Well, the reduce my ecological footprint is to reduce my garbage. Although it sounds simple, many people don't know how to separate it, and which makes it more difficult to use triage, and this reach as landfill. On the other hand, using second-hand things, although many people are not familiar with this, it's a good idea when it comes to clothing, because we need to create one t-shirt, a liters of water, and use wasting and contaminating. And to increase the biocapacity is the protection of marine life, as it helps to conserve the oceans and their ecosystems, can improve the health of seas, and increase the biodiversity and help absorb the carbon dioxide, and promote the urban agriculture, because this will be great and cities can increase local food production and reduce the need for transportation and improve air quality. Now, what does demand and supply have to do between the capacity and ecological footprint? Well, since we use humans are demand for the use of natural resources that nature offers us, the balance is sought as it graph below. But that is when the ecological footprint is equal to or less than the biocapacity, the demand of resources is balanced with the supply of the planet, which give us the understand that we are using the resource in a sustainable way. On the other hand, when the ecological footprint exceeds the biocapacity, we are in a state of ecological deficit. This is indicate that we are using resources faster that the planet can regenerate them, and which leads to resource depletion and environmental deterioration, which we call ecological deficit. However, the graph on the right side shows that our planet is in an ecological deficit despite the technological advances. Making an analysis of my daily life, and I realized that I need to change some habitats drastically, since as the image show I will need 4.5 Earths for everyone to live like me. Among some change is to consume less energy by applying a place that I don't use less water that is but in less than 10 minutes, use a recyclable containers, and use a second hands like clothes or furnitures, and create a composting system for organic waste. Uh, this is analysis using the 3 hours and the 12 hours. Well, in conclusion, it's crucial that we integrate the principle of the circular economy into our lifestyle to reduce our ecological footprint and avoid overshoot day. This is a day when the human demand for resource in 1 year exceeding the Earth's capacity to regenerate those resources in the same period. To avoid the ecological depletion and overshoot, we must adopt the sustainable consumption habits. They invest in renewable energies and protect and restore the ecosystems. as well as the use of the different arts in our daily life that will regenerate all our impact. So thank you for the presentation and see you.